How to remove private number from your phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Phone app on your device. After you're in the Phone app, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. In Settings, click on Calling Accounts. After you're in Calling Accounts, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on More Features. Then click on Caller ID and Call Waiting. After that, click on Caller ID at the top, which will open this kind of page. In here, simply make it Network Default, and then you're good to go. This was not available on my device, so I've just added this picture, but make sure your caller ID is Network Default. And this is how to remove private number from your phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.